Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Dramabox mod for iOS and Android, unlimited coins, right? So as you can see, we got 780 right now, nothing to write home about, but we can actually enable unlimited coins using this mod. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for iOS and Android. It's super cool. So yeah, it's no banning or anything like that. So I'm going to turn on unlimited coins and let's see if they start to go up. So no change yet, but could be coming. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Dramabox mod for your device, iOS and Android. It's super cool. So let's just give this a minute to max out here. And I'm going to show you guys how to download. So it's pretty easy. So all we have to do is go over to tweakmod.com. And we're just going to type in Dramabox. And as you can see, it's going to say it, Dramabox mod. Or it should. Never mind. Looks like we're heading for Zoo mods, bro. So come up here, type in Dramabox, press on it, and it's going to start downloading. So before it actually downloads, there is going to be a verification at the end. So you got to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and max out here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. All right, we'll just give it a second to load up here. And we're going to be all good. So as you can see, it says missing files. So we just have to download 2 of these apps. So they're all from the App Store. They're completely free. There's a video if you need to watch that. But for instance, like Travel Town says reach level 9. So just press on it and it will bring you to the store. I'm on an Android, so it brought me to the Play Store. But there's other apps too. There's Misplay, Downstall, Play 4 games for 5 minutes, Moneywell, TikTok. I don't know which ones you'll see, but just make sure you download 2 of them and follow instructions. You're going to be all set, bro. So this actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get unlimited coins, VIP, skip ads, all this stuff, guys. It's crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is fully working, guys, and it is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is crazy stuff, guys. Unlimited, it's all here. So tell your friends about it. There's no ban involved. So yeah, I'll see you later, bro. Try it out. This is so cool. Bro, who developed such a creation? So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, because that's where people go wrong. A lot of them, what they do is they download it and they don't do anything on it. You have to do what it says. Downstall, play 3 games for 5 minutes. Downstall, run for 30 seconds. Downstall, complete level 9. So just do that, you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, bro.